Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today we will review the most popular and successful AI tools that had been developed to create professional textual content such as blogs, stories, and ebooks. As you may know, you can use the most common and popular AI chatbots such as Chat GPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot to create textual content. However, most of the output that they generate doesn't pass both plagiarism and bot test and is very generic. If you want more dedicated and professional output, you should consider the following AI tools. Now, before delving into those tools, it is important to mention that everyday new writing tools are evolving, and there might be better than the ones mentioned in this video. Therefore, it would be advisable to subscribe to not miss future updates and similar videos. Let's start with a free one. Rydr.me. This AI tool has a free plan to start with, and it is the best choice for beginners to start with. However, if it has 10,000 characters limit and the free version doesn't have plagiarism checker, you have to switch to the paid version to get unlimited content and the checker as well. Moreover, to be able to create content in different language, you have to get the premium version. Just note that even its premium plan's price is cheaper than other tools available right now. Rydr is a very good choice for e-commerce online business owners, such as blog content, sales letters, and product descriptions. And it also offers image generation. However, that's out of this video's topic. So generally speaking, go for Rydr if you want to start for free or for as cheap as possible for a good AI service. The next tool also offers a free plan, and it is beginner-friendly with easy-to-use and navigate interface, and with pre-made templates to choose from, called CopyA. It is advisable for people who create regular blog posts, and it is good for copywriting and email marketing content. Its free plan is quite limited, but it offers a free trial of 1 week for its pro plan, which is enough to test if it's suitable for your needs. It also offers multiple language output for its paid plans. However, one of its main drawbacks at the moment is that it lacks SEO optimization, which might be improved in the future. Speaking of SEO, if SEO optimized content is your main concern, then you should use Surfer.AI. Surfer.AI generates content outlines, suggests relevant keywords, and analyze competitor content. This saves you significant time and effort searching and planning your content strategy to get traffic from search engines such as Google. Surfer analyzes top-ranking content for your target keywords and provides an SEO score for your own content. This helps you focus on optimizing key elements that search engines consider important and give you an idea on how likely you will get traffic out of your content. However, this tool doesn't have a free plan at the moment, and its pricing is a bit relatively expensive for individuals. Now, the next tool, storylab.AI, is great for ebook writing and storytelling. Storylab utilized fictional imagination to create interesting and engaging content that helps you generate ideas for stories, hooks to grab your audience's attention, and outlines to structure your narrative. Storylab offers features specifically for scriptwriters, including scene breakdowns and dialogue prompts. And the good thing is that it offers 5 free outputs per month. Finally, the most well-known and one of the, if not the best AI tool for writing, Jasper.AI. It is constantly being updated and improved. It has great human-like writing capabilities with high probability to pass plagiarism and bot tests. Jasper offers a wide range of content templates from social media posts to product descriptions to blog posts and long-form content. It also helps you optimize your content for search engines by suggesting relevant keywords and ensuring proper keyword density. Its interface is quite user-friendly, which makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced content creators easily. Probably its main drawback is its expensive subscription price. However, it offers 7 days free trial. As you have seen, even each of those tools good for specific scenarios, such as economy or SEO-friendly or proficiency. Please choose the one that suits your needs and strategies, and don't forget that new tools are on the way every day. Therefore, like and subscribe to not miss any future update videos. Bye and see you later.